Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a recipe for homemade poppy seed filling. You can use it for poppy seed rolls, sweet buns, or various baked goods. It's great for making ahead, storing in the fridge, or freezing. If you're interested, keep watching. I'll list the ingredients you'll need, which you can also find in the video description below. There, I've also included a link for the blog where you'll find all my recipes. I boiled 500 milliliters of milk in a pot. Then add 400 g of ground poppy seeds, which you can buy ready-made at the store to save time and effort in preparing this filling. Mix everything together, then add about 8 tablespoons of honey and mix again. Now cook everything on the lowest heat. Next, add a few drops of almond extract, about a teaspoon or more if you prefer, along with 40 g of butter. Wait for the butter to melt, then add your favorite dried fruits. I used 300 g of a mix of chopped walnuts, hazelnuts, cranberries, dried apricots, and raisins. Mix everything together, and the filling is ready. If the mixture seems too dry, you can add a bit more milk or sweeten it further if needed. You can store the poppy seed filling in the fridge for about 5-7 days or freeze it for later use. In the next episodes, I'll show you how to make a poppy seed cake using this homemade filling. As you can see, making this filling is very simple and it tastes much better than store-bought canned poppy seed filling. Give it a try, leave a comment, and be sure to watch my upcoming videos. You can find more recipes on my blog. I always provide the link to my blog under the video. Thank you and best regards.